What is going on, and welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be doing some more stuff on the truck. I got some stuff for Christmas, and I got some extra stuff that I just have to do. Actually, I'm waiting on a guy to come pick up these running boards right now. We got them up on Facebook Marketplace, so he's on his way over here from about an hour away. He should be here any minute now. Then I have to go pick up Jake because who knows, he doesn't have his car somewhere, so he needs me to come pick him up, so I'm going to help him out. What do we got to do? I got some stuff. I got a Raptor bed liner, another kit. So we're going to go over the bed again after we scuff it up, of course. We got that to do. I don't know if we're going to do that today, but we got some random stuff we got to do. We got like stabilizer links, tie rod ends. We got those stuffs to do, but I don't want to mess with any of that because I'm not going to go get an alignment right now. I actually just ordered my headlights and taillights for the truck, so that's going to be sweet. I have a third brake light to put in because I'm going with a whole tubular LED look. So that'll look really good. I got all that to match. So yeah, here's the guy right now over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do some stuff. We were just chilling here trying to figure out some plans for tonight and such. But I'm actually gonna go ahead and clean up these patches here. I'm gonna fiberglass these just because they just look bad the way they are. I'm gonna take the wire brush to them and clean it all up. And then we're gonna fill it with fiberglass. And then I'm probably gonna end up meeting Jake at McDonald's in a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do this and then I'll come back once it's filled up. I had fiberglass here, but I guess not. So we just threw some Bondo on that hole and some Bondo on this one. And we're just going to let it dry for a while. Then I'll come out and sand it just so it's flat and it looks a little bit better. And then, yeah, we have more bed liner over here to go through and put on. But, yeah, we're not at that point yet. And I don't know. We're not going to do it yet. So we'll grab this cold start. Gotta love the cold starts. Guys, welcome back to another video. I'm not really sure where we're picking up at this, if this is a new video, if this is a video in itself, but I have a bunch of goodies today. It's about 40 degrees outside. It's actually pretty nice, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start throwing some of this stuff on. Truck is absolutely filthy, don't mind that. We have headlights, a reverse light, a sticker, and tail lights all in this box. All gonna go on and match today. It's gonna look great. This sticker is already gone. It's just kind of residue-y there. I just have to clean that up. Sticker's gonna go there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get to taking off these taillights. It's very simple. It's just 2 bolts, and that's where we're gonna start, and then we'll go to the third brake light and so on. All right, what's up, guys? It's the next day now. We didn't really record a whole lot yesterday just because I wanted to get it over with and just get moving on. So this is what the rear end looks like now. It looks very aggressive. I'm really liking it. See the new third brake light, new tail lights, the new sticker up top. It came out really well. But basically I have a heat gun. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to get some bubbles out of the sticker, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna work on the headlights because that's gonna take a little bit of time. We're gonna have to wire some stuff up, and then we're gonna fix the ABS harness in the rear that was broken from last time that we tried to fix previously. Didn't work. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that harness out, and then we'll splice in the new wires and we'll see what we can get doing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the truck back and then we'll get started. Where we're at. I just pulled all the stripping and everything off this. Obviously our repair did not work very well because that wire's still busted. I'm not thinking that there's any problem higher up in this harness, as it all looks okay from what I can tell, besides maybe up here where it's a little frayed. But for the most part, it looks like it's all right. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna cut this wire down here a little bit above our damaged area so we could strip it back. I'll probably take some of this wrapping off of it and cut higher up so I know it's good wire, and then we'll go ahead and put our new plug on it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, then I'll come back when it's all finished up and looks good. And wrapped up that wiring in there. It looked pretty good. Everything was done there. I wrapped all that up. It looks pretty good. Connections are solid, all soldered together, heat shrinked, wrapped up in electrical tape back in the thing. It's connected. The battery's unconnected right now, so I can't really go and test it, so I'm hoping it works. The new connector plugged right in, no problems there. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna go ahead and start on this and get pulling a headlight and get to wiring and see what we can figure out. And yeah, these are the new headlights over here. We'll get to work and see what we get done here. I already did this one side because this thing is a pain in the ass. It took me a little bit to figure everything out. Don't know if it works yet. Have the battery disconnected still. Gonna go ahead and start on the other side. That's probably a bad idea, but we're gonna do it anyway. This is what it looks like. It looks so much nicer than the other side. I mean, this is just You can see the side by side of the two. It's pretty ridiculous. Let's bring down the light here. Oh, you can't see that now. But you can see how much of a difference they are. So I'll go ahead and I'll walk you guys through this other side. I might make this another video just because of how much work that one light is to do all this stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take off this part. All right guys, that is the new look of the truck. Blacked out front end. We're gonna walk back here. She's very dirty. I'm about to go get her washed too. New sticker up top, new taillights, new third brake light. Looks very aggressive from the back. I'm really liking it. Next step is wheels and tires. You can see just how dirty she is right there. But yeah, I'm about to head over to the car wash and get her cleaned up. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you drop a like down below. Subscribe for more videos, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Peace. So we're back out here next day. I thought this video was actually a lot longer than it was, and I guess it wasn't. I went to go edit it, and I realized that we only had like 4 minutes of footage. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna recap everything we've done recently, because there's kind of a lot in a short amount of time, and I didn't really do too much of a good job at showing you guys. So actually, just right now, I just took off these badges off the truck and threw on some black and red ones, because now everything on the truck is black and red. There's no chrome left. I'm very happy about that. Not a good, you know, I don't really like chrome that much, but yeah, that's basically where we're standing. The back side of this truck looks aggressive as all hell now. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. Sticker is great. My dad doesn't like it, but who gives a shit? Yeah, the taillight's really good. I mean, there's been a lot of work that's gone into this truck recently, and yeah, I'll show you guys what these headlights look, because I have not showed you guys actually what these look like yet. Yes, the headlight is about to get changed too. It will not be yellow like it is right now. I'm not a fan of the yellow personally. I want everything to be LED or HID. The bulb is a 9006, I think, and I went ahead and found some online from aux beam that I'm gonna go ahead and probably buy, and that'll turn everything to, you know, LED and everything. That means everything on the truck will be LED and like blue or a white light now, which would be very nice. I really like that look. You guys can see from the back side over here, the running lights. We got the little C shape going on here with the light up top, and you can see it's got like that three-dimensional look to it. Very nice. I really like those headlights. They're from Spyder as well, or taillights, I mean. So yeah, coming over here, we have our box with like all of our stuff now. Headlights and taillights are in there with that thing. This back shelf just has a bunch of random parts from the truck. I've actually been looking for where my fog lights went. I have no idea where they went. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and look for those, because I would like ideally to just take them back, take them apart, clean them, paint some of it black, and put it back in the spot where it was. I think they would look really good that way. They would match everything else on the truck that way too. But you know, it's whatever, we'll figure it out. I actually have an LED bulb to go in right here if I wanted to make the daytime running light brighter, but it's very bright, so I don't know how I would like that. I might try it just to see what it looks like, and then, you know, if I don't like it, take it back out, whatever. But I don't know, I have a couple of them laying around. That's about that. This is what the truck is looking like from the front now. I really do like these headlights and taillights. I bought them as a package through Spyder. Very nice, high quality. The truck is also very dirty. Even though I just washed it yesterday, the winter around in the Midwest is just terrible. And I park in that out there, so that doesn't really help. So, you know, keeping the truck clean is almost impossible for more than like a day or two, but it's whatever. With that being said, that's basically gonna wrap it up for this video. I don't really have much else to add. I threw up a how-to video on how to do these headlights, because they're a little complicated and there's not really instructions for it. So if you guys do want to know how to do that, go check out the last video. But if you guys did enjoy, make sure you drop a like down below, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys all in the next episode. Peace.